Hi lovely people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. So today I'm going to do my 9 month natural hair length check video. Yeah, is that right? Length check video, right? Okay, so I cut off my hair last year, 2017, 2nd April, and now we are here. If you haven't checked my 6 months natural hair update yet, please go and have a look, go and check it out. Okay, so 9 months natural, and I still use my virgin hair fertilizer, and that's the only thing that I use on my scalp. Just look like this. It's here. I have some in here. Wait. So I always every morning I will just spray my hair with warm water or anything of your choice that will moisturize your hair, and then I'll just apply my virgin hair fertilizer on my scalp like this. I'll put it everywhere, like everywhere, on my edges, on my nape area, everywhere. Like I'll put it everywhere. And this is my back. The back looks like this. And yeah, so this is how far I have come with my natural hair. My God has been good to me again. My hair is growing and I haven't noticed anything, me using the virgin hair fertilizer yet. So I'm gonna continue and use it. So that means I have been using the virgin hair fertilizer for 9 months now, ever since I cut off my hair. So this is my hair at 9 months. So I just wanted to show you guys how far I have come with my natural hair. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you didn't like this video too, please give us a thumbs up, because we're gonna need your support anyway, so you have to give us a thumbs up. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all. Bye.